yun, sinabihan pa kami na huwag daw kami lalabas dun sa sasakyan kasi nandiyan daw yung may-ari. Kinakabahan na kami nun kasi baka anong gawin sa amin eh. Pero ngayon sabi na kinailangan namin lumabas. Kasi sabi nung
ay, tatrabaho na dyan.
Apo.
Pwede tayo pupunta na Davao. Babalik tayo dito.
Sige po.
Pwede na tayo magpa-picture dyan, oh.
Apo. Asan po pala yung ano? Dito Tisoy, nandito lang daw po. Sa Tagum ang may-ari.
Hindi, yan taga Davao, nagpunta dito. Kaya nagpunta sa akin.
Ngayon, kaya may kumain pa sa Tagum.
Ngayon po yan.
Mamaya, pwede ka dyan, oh, para ka nasa mundo ko, di ba?
Opo.
Pasiyak kayo dyan. Ako nang bahala, mamaya.
Sige po.
Thank you po.
Palisin muna natin yung mayari kasi binata pa mga 27 niya kayo. Madali matakot. Kung hindi na ako, hindi mapatakbo dito maganda ba? Kasi palagi na ako nagsasalita sa kanya, huwag kang matakot. Stop pa pag may stop,
Dala sa amin doon na hintayin na lang daw namin na makaalis yung may-ari bago balikin yung kami. So kumain na lang muna kami sa labas.
Kumain na lang muna kami hanggang sa umalis yung may-ari.
Pero yung pinatawag na naman kami kasi gusto daw kami makausap ng may-ari. Fortunately naman, kasi fortunately naman nun maganda naman daw kami. So pinayagan kami.
No questions asked.
No questions asked talaga, Mega. Tapos doon na namin nakita na grabe pala talaga yung pagdala doon nung nakat na puno.
Asa gina-export nila?
Gina-export daw nila.
Asa?
Somewhere in China. Hindi, China.
Tapos doon namin nakita na pagputol tsaka para ma-find yung edge ng mga puno tsaka yung mga machines na ginamit nila, kaiba talaga.
Yes, and diba bes, natatakot po tayo kasi baka magka-raid. Kasi mega illegal yun eh. Unfortunately, it's illegal. But we are very, we have been given nabigyan tayo ng privilege na makapasok doon. Pero takot talaga kami kasi naka-uniform ko ng Mega eh. Pero it was a very wonderful experience.
Successful.
Did you know why people cut trees? There are lots of reasons. First is for making furniture that people use in their houses and offices. Second is for urbanization due to rapid population growth. Third is for making parks where people tend to spend their leisure time. But don't they know the consequences behind their actions? Continuous cutting of trees could lead to catastrophic events such as floods, landslides, habitat loss, and contamination of water as what we are experiencing today.
Did you know that no trees die of old age? Did you know that the rainforest once covered 14% of the Earth's land surface, but now it's a mere 6%?
Did you know that trees cut down noise pollution?
Did you know the trees help purify the air that we breathe?
Did you know that an area of forest equal to 20 football field is lost every minute?
Did you know that some trees can talk to each other?
Did you know that the tropical forest covers only 6% of the Earth's land surface?
We should not lose hope, for it's not yet too late. Let's plant trees and
Help save Mother Earth. Help save Mother Earth. Help
save Mother Earth.
Help save Mother Earth.
Help save Mother Earth.
Help save the Mother Earth.
Mother Earth na, Meg!
You know the trees that help you. Did you know? Help save. Help save.
Did you know that an area of forest equal to 20... Pwede mo tanongin. Did you know that an area of forest equal to 20 football lost every minute? Help save Mother Earth. Did you know that some trees help save? Did you know that Did you know? Did you know that the American forest? Did you know that the American forest? Did you know that green forest?